YouTube has just announced a bunch of brand new ways to monetize on YouTube, even if you aren't part of the YouTube Partner Program. So in this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. What's up guys, Seb here from Wolfio. So number one, there is going to be a brand new way you can actually join the YouTube Partner Program. So the traditional method is that you needed 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours. Well, the brand new way is you're going to need 1,000 subscribers again, so that hasn't changed. But the new feature or the new element to become part of the YouTube Partner Program is that you're going to need 10 million views in the shorts section of YouTube, which is actually really easy to achieve compared to the 4,000 watch hours. Number two, YouTube are adding some new thresholds to the YouTube Partner Program so you can actually start monetizing without actually being part of the main YouTube Partner Program. So obviously, if you're a smaller creator, you won't have access to the main features such as actually putting ads on your videos, but you will have access to these features, which include the super thanks, the super chat, super stickers, and channel memberships. And this is all thanks to YouTube's brand new fan funding monetization feature. And these new monetization features will apply to the traditional long form videos as well as live streams and YouTube Shorts. So there we go, some pretty great features to come in the monetization space in 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want more YouTube content, then check out this video right here.